tell it's more humid. Oh, here they come. They're coming down. They're about to come down. So they turned around. I guess when I looked over and they turned around. We'll try to get a better view on the other side. Here in the movie. So open. I guess they can, these birds can fly around and move around. They're all open. No, what is that? It's right there. And so you can actually put your hand into the things. It's open air. It's cute. What is it called?
Brazilian goatee.
Okay. You zoomed in. Mine won't let me zoom in. Why won't mine let me zoom in?
You're on video.
Oh, you zoomed. You took a picture. Oh.
Oh no, it's all women out together.
It's about to be good.
Look at it.
It's about to get.
And one is sitting there jealous.
It's
Don't
about
be
to.
hating.
It's about to get frisky in here. It's about to get frisky in here. So you could, if the sloth is moving, you could see the sloth. What's that up on top? Is that a porcupine?
I don't know. It looks like it.
Okay, let us continue on our journey through the
Pictures of the
rainforest.
beautiful birds.
Oh, there's an anteater.
Oh wow. That's an anteater.
Yes, that's what I said. And the birds in there. I think he's pacing. Oh, you see the beautiful parakeet. Right above you. Look at the yellow, the orange plane right above you.
I know. I took it over there.
Oh, okay. Wow. How cool. Okay, I was going to knock this, but I'm not going to knock it now. Yeah.
Hi there.
Yeah, so I can get you behind the duck. Let's zoom in. Video.
Okay, I'm a special exhibit.
I'm zooming in on you in the rainforest. Let's get the full effect. Okay, yeah, you keep doing that. Oh, wow.
There's another one right there. Hanging on.
Hanging on where? Oh.
In the water.
You can see his head.
There's a bunch of them. See, that's right there. It's his shell.
It's two of them there, right?
They're mating.
Oh, they're mating?
He's on top of it.
There you go. Her, I hope. There he is. And then there's one by it, right? Looking at
Kissing
him.
her neck. Ooh, dipping her.
Okay.
What are they doing?
I think they are mating. But I'm kind of tired.
There's a bunny right there.
Okay, and you swing around. Get the full effect. Yes, right down here. Oh wow, those are huge. Here, I can get them.
They look like giant. They look like giant hamsters.
Giant what?
Hamsters.
Yes, sounds good.
He's waiting. He knows something's coming up. Lunch or something. Where are
Where's
my
this hanging?
ants at?
Hello. Hi. Hold on, hon.